Imagine a simple, inexpensive, and natural drink that could regulate your blood sugar, protect your heart, and even improve your sleep. In a world full of quick fixes and complicated solutions, sometimes the greatest power lies in our grandparents' wisdom. What if I told you that one glass of this, show the glass, a day could give you back control over your health? Well, know that thousands of seniors are rediscovering their body's balance with a single morning habit: oatmeal water. Modern science is finally proving what folk wisdom already knew. Today, we're going to dive deep into the 7 most powerful effects this mixture can have on your body after the age of 60. And at the end, I'll teach you the right way to prepare it to extract every drop of benefit and the crucial precautions you need to take. Stay with me until the end, because this information can be life-changing. The 7 surprising effects. First, true blood sugar control. Think about a breakfast with white bread or a pastry. The sugar rushes into your blood like a flood, forcing your pancreas to work desperately. The result is an energy spike followed by a deep crash. Oats completely change this scenario. Their special fiber, beta-glucan, forms a gel in your stomach. Imagine this gel as a sponge that soaks up sugars and releases them slowly, like a drip irrigation system. This prevents the glucose flood, keeping your energy stable for hours and protecting your pancreas. It's the difference between chaotic energy and serene, long-lasting energy. Second, a natural shield for your heart. LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, is like a sticky substance that builds up on your artery walls, hardening them and potentially causing blockages. It's a silent, dangerous process. Here, beta-glucan acts like a cleanup crew. The gel it forms in the gut binds to these cholesterol molecules and escorts them out of the body, preventing them from being absorbed. Studies show that daily consumption can reduce LDL cholesterol by up to 15%. Furthermore, oats contain unique antioxidants called avenanthramides, which act as specific anti-inflammatories for your arteries, keeping them flexible and healthy. Third, a gut that works like clockwork. As we age, our digestive system can become a sluggish river, causing bloating, gas, and constipation. Oats are the perfect solution. Their insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool, pushing everything forward, while the soluble fiber creates a gel that smooths the passage. But the biggest benefit is what it does for your gut flora. It's a prebiotic, the favorite food of the good bacteria in your gut. And a gut with happy bacteria means better nutrient absorption and a stronger immune barrier at your body's front door. If you're already finding these tips useful, don't forget to hit the like button to let me know, and so I can keep bringing content that truly takes care of your health. Fourth, a resilient and vigorous immune system. Aging doesn't have to mean getting sick more often. Think of your immune system as an army. The beta-glucan from oats acts like a training sergeant, activating your defense cells, the macrophages, and putting them on high alert to identify and destroy invaders. Oats are also rich in zinc and selenium, crucial minerals for the production and function of your immune elite troops. The result is a body that not only better resists colds and infections, but also recovers much faster. Fifth, stronger, more resilient bones. Many people focus only on calcium, but bone health is a complex construction. Oats are an incredibly rich source of silicon, a mineral that acts as the cement in building collagen, the protein that forms the flexible matrix of your bones. Without silicon, calcium can't anchor itself properly. Additionally, the magnesium in oats helps regulate calcium and vitamin D levels in the body. It's a perfect teamwork to maintain bone density, helping to prevent osteoporosis and the risk of fractures. Sixth, an active brain, sharp and protected memory. You know that brain fog feeling or difficulty concentrating. Often, it's due to energy fluctuations. Because oats release glucose slowly and steadily, they provide the brain with the high-quality fuel it needs to perform at its best. The avenanthramides, those antioxidants that protect the heart, also protect neurons from inflammation and oxidative stress, factors linked to Alzheimer's. Finally, the B vitamins in oats are essential for producing neurotransmitters, the brain's chemical messengers, improving not just memory, but also mood. 7th, a deep improvement in sleep quality. Sleeping well isn't a luxury, it's a biological necessity. Oats help in multiple ways. They contain tryptophan, an amino acid your body converts into serotonin, the well-being hormone. At night, serotonin is converted into melatonin, the sleep hormone, which regulates your biological clock. Furthermore, the magnesium in oats is a natural muscle relaxant, helping to relieve the physical tension that often keeps us from falling asleep. It's a double whammy. It relaxes the mind and the body. How to prepare it the right way for maximum benefit. Now that you understand the power of oats, correct preparation is essential. Use whole or thick rolled oats. Instant oats are ultra-processed and lose most of their fiber and nutrients. Think of them as a watered-down version of the power of oats. The ratio is 2 tablespoons of oats to 1 glass, 200 milliliters or 7 ounces, of water. The golden secret: let it soak for at least 30 minutes, but ideally overnight in the fridge. This hydration process wakes up the beta-glucan fiber and releases the nutrients. Consume it in the morning, on an empty stomach, and don't strain the mixture. Consuming it on an empty stomach ensures maximum absorption, and straining throws away the most important part, the fibers. Pro tip: add a pinch of cinnamon powder to enhance sugar control, or a few drops of lemon to help with mineral absorption. Completely avoid sugar or honey. Essential precautions and contraindications. Pay close attention. This is very important for your safety. Celiacs or gluten-sensitive individuals. Oats are naturally gluten-free, but cross-contamination on the farm is common. Always look for oats with a certified, gluten-free seal. Severe intestinal issues. If you have a history of bowel obstruction, consult your doctor before increasing your fiber intake. Start slow. Do you take medication? If you take drugs for diabetes, monitor your blood glucose. Oats can lower your sugar levels, and your medication dose might need adjustment. The same goes for cholesterol medication. Always talk to your doctor. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Fiber needs water to work correctly and to avoid the opposite effect, like constipation. Recap and closing. So, let's recap the transformation that a simple glass of oatmeal water can begin. You're not just controlling sugar, you're giving your body stable energy. You're not just lowering cholesterol, you're cleaning your arteries. You're not just improving digestion, you're strengthening your first line of immune defense. You're building strong bones, protecting your memory, and ensuring restorative sleep. Nature offers us incredible tools to take the reins of our health. This is one of the simplest and most effective. Now the question is for you. Which of these 7 benefits would be the most transformative in your life right now? Share your journey in the comments. If this video opened your eyes, share it with a friend or family member who also deserves this information. Subscribe to the channel for more health tips based on science and wisdom. Thank you so much for your attention, and I'll see you in the next one.